Hello viewers, here is a Uniden Extendophone high quality series. This is model number DX3555. And I really wanted this to work. Unfortunately it does not. This telephone I got in an auction I won online. I got this one from the same auction with that other Panasonic 900 MHz phone that doesn't work. So that auction turned out to be kind of a bust because everything was supposed to work and everything didn't work. But actually, since everything didn't work, these were also in the lot, and those, as far as I can tell, work. So it wasn't a total loss, but this was the one I was most interested in, and it doesn't work. A couple of strange things going on here. This is the power cord for the base. And when I plug this in here, we get a lot of strange behaviors. So that's not super useful. And I believe we get a weird sound when we put the handset on too. There's no battery in there. Well, that's working now. Let's see here. Doesn't want to connect. So I think this power cord is spoiled. I'm just going to go ahead and toss this in the bin because that's really of no use to anybody. Or maybe I'll take the cord off of it first. The power cord for the charge cradle is the same capacity and same size. So I'll plug this in here, and the base seemed to operate a little more normally with this power cord. The handset, it does connect, but there's just no transmitter receive. I'll plug in the telephone line here. So that's working, and this connects too, and it does seize the line, but there's no audio. Now, interestingly enough, the numbers are registering. And it makes the call. So, oh dear. Testing, 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 but as you can see there's just no transmit. So, I'm not exactly sure what's going on with this telephone. This one will be repaired eventually because this is one I wanted to have in my collection. Oh! We have audio now if I put scramble on. So this is non-scramble mode, and it's not doing anything. If I hit scramble, it seems to work now. And there's audio coming out too. That's interesting. Well, I guess if I just leave scramble on, it works fine. Okay, that's kind of weird. Yeah, it does, whoops. It only works if it's in scramble. That's really odd. I guess that's okay, but very strange. Well, let's make an outside call since it seems to work. Yep, we have audio now.
Friends don't accept credit cards, which is why we offer person-to-person pay.
Doesn't sound like it's decoding perfectly flawlessly, but it does work. Alright, well I guess that's not quite as disappointing as I thought it was. That's certainly an odd failure mode. I don't understand why it would not work on regular but work in scramble. But okay. The antenna is missing, obviously. A lot of these broke. You know, they were plastic and they degraded over time, and the material just kind of broke if you ever flex it. So this is a rough one. I gotta get another power cord, and I gotta do some investigation in regards to why it doesn't work on regular mode, but at least it's usable with simple power cord replacement. And we'll have to do something with the antenna so it's a little more sightly too.